Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi Mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to set Redmi Mobile Classic mode, how to use Redmi Mobile Classic mode setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, in your Redmi Mobile you want to use Classic mode, you want to set Classic mode, how to set and use. Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, scroll down here, open your device home screen setting. After turn by home screen setting friends, if you click here home screen mode setting, so friends there are two options, classic mode and app driver mode. So friends, if you click here classic mode, it display all icon will show on your home screen page, and if you click here app driver mode, so you can use app driver mode and you can use all icon in app driver mode setting. So friends, we will click here classic mode. After click here classic mode, so friends come back. So friends, you can check your home screen style will change automatic. You have new home screen style, your all icon will show on your home screen page. You cannot swipe, you cannot use app driver mode in Redmi mobile. Again open your phone setting friends and open your phone home screen setting friends. Scroll down here and again click here home screen setting friends. Click here swipe up on the home screen to open search setting. So friends, if you on this setting, and friends if you swipe here, so you can use Google and you can search here, and you want to off this setting, you don't want to this setting, again open your phone setting, open your phone home screen setting, home screen mode setting, swipe up on the home screen to open search option setting, we will off. So now if you swipe up, you cannot use search option setting friends. Again if you click here app driver mode setting, so friends you can see you can use display all app in app driver mode setting. You can swipe friends, you can check home screen layout will change automatic. So friends, you want to set classic mode, you want to show all app on home screen page, you want to use classic mode setting, left click here and you can use classic mode setting. Display all icon will show on your home screen page, and you can check your home screen layout will change, style will change again in your Redmi mobile. If you swipe here, you cannot use app driver mode setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, you have any problem in Redmi mobile home screen setting, lock screen setting, so friends you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends. And friends, if you scroll down here, so you can lock your home screen layout, icon size, home screen layout setting you can set and you can change. Bye.